Good morning, dear students. Our new lesson. Today is our new lesson, and we learn about transmission control protocol, and it's especially TCP. Who is absent? Ilham. Who is absent in our group? All are present. Okay, thanks. And we learn about objects, OC models, and transmission protocols. And today we learn about transmission control protocol. All of you have any questions about this topic, and you want to learn about what is the TCP. TCP, Transmission Control Protocol, is one of the core protocols of the Internet Protocol Suite. It ensures reliable, ordered, and error-checked delivery of data between computers. And main functions of TCP. We know or we don't know about TCP, and TCP main functions of TCP: reliable data delivery. First of all, reliable data delivery. It's it's used to between two computers. And connection-oriented communication. And there's a third, error detection and recovery. And there's a fourth, flow and conjunctions control. Fifth is data sequencing. We know anything about main functions of TCP. And you know about TCP. You have got any questions? Why and what is it TCP? The next slide, our TCP layer position. What is a TCP layer position? TCP operates at the transport layer of the OC model. OC, we know about OC model, Open System Interconnection. About the Internet Protocol, IP, it's the Internet Protocol. It means it's the Internet Protocol. It provides end-to-end communication between applications. You understand about? What is a TCP connection establishment? In the picture, you saw a three-way handshake to connect TCP. The first handshake is the SYN segment. It's named SYN segment. Client request connection. The first handshake, the first hand, SYN segment, and the second SYN ask segment. SYN ask. It's used to server acknowledges. It's used to server acknowledges. It's a client. It's client and it's a server. And the client topic is active open, and the server topic is passive open. And there's this third handshake ask. Client confirms connection. It's the ask segment. It's used between two distros, client and the server. So next, TCP connection termination. It's it's four-step termination process. Four-step TCP connection termination. It's used to 4 steps. The first step, find sent by client. It's used to send to server to send by client. And the second, ask from server. It's used to ask clients from servers. And the third, find from server. The second, ask from server, and the third, find from server. And the fourth, final, ask from client. It's used to the first step is used to form client. And then the next TCP segment structure. Header fields should include source destination port. First of all, it includes source destination port. And you say about this picture. No, this picture. Serve to computer and the server. It's used to computer and server. And the source destination port. And the second, sequence acknowledgement numbers. Sequence and acknowledgement numbers. And the first is flags soon ask find. It's used to connect with the computer and the client server. And the fourth is checksum. We used to checksum to check your server internet connections about. And the final window size, and it's used for us to know about window size in our computer and the servers. Error control in TCP. What is the error? We know about error. You know? Error degani yo'q bilasizmi? Rasmi? Xatolik. Demak, error control in TCP, ya'ni control TCP dagi kontrollashning xatoligi deyapti. TCP uses checksum and acknowledgement mechanisms to detect and retransmit lost or corrupted packets. TCP uses checksum and acknowledgement mechanisms to detect and retransmit lost or corrupted packets. It's error controls in TCP. Flow control mechanisms. TCP uses a sliding window protocol to prevent sender overflow and match receiver speed. TCP nimada qo'llaniladi deyapti? Oyna protokollarni ishga tushirishda va tezlikni mo'ljallashda qo'llaniladi deyapti. Congestion control. TCP adjusts transmission rate dynamically to prevent network design congestions. Ordered delivery. It's ordered delivery and the full duplex transmission, and this is a final connections-oriented service. Protocols using TCP. How many protocols in use to TCP? First, HTTP and HTTPS. We know about you know about HTTP. You know HTTP haqida bilamizmi? We use the internet. And the internet addresses. If you send internet addresses, you will copy. You send the link. It's to begin HTTP. And the second is FTP. And the third SMTP, POP3 and IMAP. And the last one is CCH and Telnet. TCP we see UDP, and it means that TCP and TCP UDP similar to TCP. TCP reliable slower and connection based. But UDP unreliable, faster, connectionless, used for different applications types. UDP is faster than TCP, and it's unreliable. So interconnections is very easy. So we talk about advantages of TCP. What is the advantages of TCP? First, reliable delivery and the error correction. TCP is error corrections, to use error corrections, and the flow and the conduction control and the insurance order transmission. TCP is learn about errors and it's used to find error corrections. And the disadvantages of TCP. What is the disadvantages of TCP? Disadvantages of TCP. First of all, TCP is very slow, and it's we use to UDP, and more complex connection setup. It's a lot of cables to use TCP, and it's too uncomfortable to use because it's very lots of cables, so we very tired about, and not suitable for real-time communication. We conclude our lessons. TCP is essential for reliable data transmissions and across the internet. It forms the foundation of web, email, and file transfer services worldwide.